tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in.
Gonna head in to supermarket, so come shop with me, shop, look around, see if there's anything new that they have, and just have a shopping experience with me. Let's get into it. We are on our way to Massey to see what we can get, and to just look around as well. There is a buy one of these and get one free for 130. But that's not my thing. That's not my thing. I look like the same coffee. Instant coffee mix. There are a lot of items on sale, like this one. People's is it country? Sweet and spicy, crispy. Other stuff. They have these on sale as well. Those are, I think, UK snacks. And these are bread. They have on sale. I can't tell you last time I tried it. Combos on sale as well. I actually wanted to find out sugar, but they don't have it, and I'm not a big fan of white sugar. But I just keep going. I never get to be a part of anything like when it's on sale, because it goes so quickly. And I only come up there once a month, maybe once every 2 weeks. I don't sale on any washing items. I think there is seldom any sales on these things for some reason. It's more on food supplies, food stuff. I don't know.
Good morning, guys. This is a couple days later. I'm gonna be making avocado toast, so come along with me as we make it together. So I have my avocado here that is fully ripe, and I'm gonna go ahead and toast these in the toaster. Well, I normally toast them in the sandwich maker, but just gonna let it toast them while I make the avocado, the guacamole, or the smashed avocado. I took a slice of avocado. I like to use lime or vinegar, but lime tastes so much better. Just squeeze it over there. as much. I feel the lime doesn't taste as sour with the avocado. It just meshed so well together. A little bit of salt, just a little bit for taste, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. That's a little bit too much, but hey, I like things spicy, so just gonna go ahead and mash it. I need my hands for this. There we have it. Let me taste a little bit. I need a little bit more salt, but that's good. That right there is my breakfast. Of course, I gotta give it a taste test. That's good. To me, it needs some more lemon juice, but perfect amount of saltiness, spiciness. Hope you guys enjoy it the rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And since I was small growing up, we always have like scorching hot milk with cornflakes. And so it's something that even up to adulthood, I don't like cold milk with cornflakes. And another thing is adding the milk before the cereal. I know it is criminal to some people, but where you don't get everything soggy at once. I'm just using the IGA cornflakes. In the Caribbean, we call everything cornflakes. All the cereals, different name brands, we call them cornflakes. So I'm using the IGA cornflakes. I love cornflakes. Tell me this is not a perfect bowl of cereal. Alright, let's go eat. I hadn't had like cornflakes today and cornflakes itself. Maybe over a year, maybe 2 years. In a while. I'm going to eat the rest of this off camera, and then I'll come back on some stuff. I hope you guys can see me clearly. It's kind of dark in here. Yeah, so I already washed my face, brushed my teeth, everything. So lately I've been noticing, I don't know if it's because of the weather. I hope you guys can see me. It's quite dark. No, it's quite dark in here, and the sun isn't really shining outside. Like a white cast over my face. I don't know if it's because of the weather after I finished washing my face and whatnot. So I'm using this Vocali Total Moisture Aloe Fresh Light Feeling Lotion for healthy skin. And for those of you who are living in St.Vincent, I found it at Jack's Enterprise. It feels like aloe, honestly. This feels so good. and the smell is very light. I don't really like body lotion or anything that has like a very heavy scent to it. Even if it smells good, it must have like this light uh, ocean, lavender, vanilla. Those are my scents. My face moisturizer. So I normally just put this chapstick on. It's a hydration. But it's like it has like a tint to it. So I think I'll just do that and go about my day. Bring you guys closer to see. Oh, hold on. Oh my god, the sun is crazy. You guys see that? It has this really nice color to it. Yeah, as I was saying, I now remember what I was saying. Yeah, I went down like almost every day for the past week. I did not film anything. The last thing I filmed was going on a cruise ship, which was very nice. Yeah, that's it. I can't see. You know, even if you're not going anywhere, it doesn't mean you don't have to go down these things. You know? Not much. And I'm just gonna put a bit of gloss over that, and that's it. Right. And that's the look for this morning. I am not sure what I'm gonna do now. But I might have to come back to you guys in like an hour or so. Check out my TikTok, Kaywana1122, and watch some of my videos, and then you can follow. I'll see you guys in a couple of hours.
Twas the night before Christmas. I couldn't find a local one for making this. The water is on. I have to wash it. Jane just likes it. Not doing ginger bread this year. Yeah, might do it, but not now. I make it kind of strong, so